Here's a problem you'll run into every once in a while if you build enough stairways, and that will be, of course, a gap between the bottom of a thick stair tread, like a 3 by 12 or a 4 by 12, and the top of a stair stringer. And there are a couple of reasons that could cause that. One would be that the stair tread is bowed, it's got a crown in it, and another, of course, would be that the stair stringers weren't lined up correctly. You might have a stair stringer that's a little low or a little high somewhere, which makes sense. I mean, let's take a look at, if you could just imagine this stair stringer, even though it's not, it's the only picture I had. What if this particular stair stringer was a 1/4 inch or 3/8 of an inch lower than the other two, and the stair tread is perfectly straight? Then when you go to put this together, you're going to have a problem with gaps at the end. You're going to have a problem. And these thicker stair treads are difficult to pull any bows out of. You know, you're going to need to grab some clamps. You're going to need to get something. If you have a bowed or warped stair tread, you're going to need to get a clamp and clamp it over the top. You know, you'd have to use a pipe clamp. Obviously, we're not going to be using C-clamps for something like this, but you're going to have to get a large clamp, go under the bottom of the stair stringer, over the top of the stair tread, and then put some pressure on it, pull it down. I've had horrible luck just trying to pre-drill holes and screw these things down and just hope that everything's going to work out, because they are so thick. So realistically, if you have something like this, and again, is it going to be a big deal? Well, it might be if it's in the wrong spot. You know, gaps like these shouldn't be in stairways. It tells you that something is wrong. Either the stair stringers are not lining up correctly, which again, there could be a variety of different reasons for that. Poor cutting, they weren't cut correctly, they don't match, they were installed incorrectly, and on and on and on. And of course, the thick stair treads. And these thick stair treads, like I said, they can be a booger to install. And if you do have a situation where you have too big of a crown in it, you might just want to trash it and get another board that is straight. And again, this could go back to even lumber selection. Make sure that you select the best lumber you can at the lumber yards. So that's it. If you guys like these videos, feel free to leave a hit me with the old thumbs up button, or leave a comment if you have any questions, and I will answer them as soon as possible.